Woo! It's time to switch it up. Today we're gonna do a rig review, and I'm actually, can you say that 10 times fast? Rig review. Rig review. And we're doing something a little different. We're going back. We're with, is Roger, right?
Roger.
And Margaret?
Margaret.
Okay, so Roger has himself a dandy. What is this, Roger?
It's a 1986 32S Avion.
Yes.
I think he's one of the Oak Ridge boys, actually.
Oh, yes. So
He does sing bass.
I do that song.
he does. The thing is that they did a whole lot of stuff in remodeling and stuff. So we're gonna showcase that because I wanted to see it. And so we're gonna do that. We're gonna roll the intro. We're gonna come back and we're gonna see all the goodness that he did or not did. It could be a complete disaster in there. I have no idea. All right, roll the intro.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
Oh, over there. Sheila's already over there talking.
Well,
Yeah, we got to go inside.
Well, okay.
What do you got there? What do you got? Show me.
Remember your little video where you showed them about the indestructible wrap? They did that to the front of their rig.
Roger, you didn't tell me that.
Right after I saw yours.
I feel like I made an impact. Seriously, that's indestructible?
That's right. I looked it
Oh,
up.
good find, Sheila. I'm sorry. I should have.
I looked it up and I ordered it and took it to my one of the fellows at church.
Yeah.
That owns a company that does wraps. And he says, I don't think I can get that to work on the rivets.
Yeah, I heard that too.
And I said, well, let's try it.
Yeah.
You know, I told him how I wanted it, drew it out, and he put it on there. And
That's
it has
awesome.
been
And
wonderful.
yes, because it doesn't catch the rocks.
That's right.
I feel like
Very durable.
All right, well, let's step inside. Let's take a look because he said it's unique. The floor plan's a little different, so let's do that because I've never walked in one of these. Did you clean it up, Margaret?
Yes, I did.
Is your underwear put away?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope so too.
Never mind. Family
show. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This, Sheila.
What, babe?
I feel like I'm walking into like a. Oh, look at this.
Oh, nice job on the paint job.
She did
What?
this.
Nice
She did
job,
this one,
Margaret.
our
That
last
looks
one.
great.
This is our second Avion.
Really?
Yeah, we did another one prior to this that was 37 years old.
This is incredible. Okay, so kind of give us a rundown on everything.
Love the floor choice.
Because
We,
did you upgrade all the electrical, or what did you end up doing, or?
The electrical was for the most part was done. I ran an additional circuit because it's a 30 amp, and rather than overload it when we use electric heaters, and so I didn't want to overload it, blow the circuit, so I ran an auxiliary that plugs in to the 110 outside along with the 30 amp primary circuit for it. We redid the kitchen, new countertops. Margaret stripped all the cabinetry. It's all the cabinetry started out like this.
It was in rough shape.
The original wood.
Yeah.
It didn't turn out like she wanted it to. So we talked about that, and we found the floor that perfectly matches
I do love that floor choice.
the kitchen. We made all the curtains, we made all the balances, we did all the blinds, new lighting throughout. This is all marine grade 12-volt lighting. We did the recessed lighting.
I think the cool part is that it really has like this really home feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it really does. It
you
just,
know, and we haven't had any slide out problems.
Yeah, thanks. I
Yeah,
appreciate that.
thanks.
Yeah. Thanks for poking fun at us. It's a little early for that for us.
And we had to do some plumbing things. We changed we put a new sink in it. This is an original refrigerator, original stove. We took the original microwave out because it didn't have a turntable in it. You know, we reupholstered everything.
What's the back like?
It is original.
What'd you do for the back?
It's original furniture.
Yeah, it's all original furniture.
Oh wow!
Just reupholstered it.
Yeah. Now, this is the bathroom. But and you can poke your head in there if you want.
Yeah, go ahead and open it up.
Okay.
Oh wow!
That's got recessed lighting in it as well.
That is almost bigger than our bathroom.
Now what's funny is this didn't have this much room in it when I bought it because this top came out about 8 inches, so I tore it out and rebuilt it with a, you know, so that it didn't come out as far. This was also completely different. I made the mirror, tilted it so that we could both see out of it, and then put the recessed lighting behind it.
And how long was the build?
The build was about a year. Okay. Yeah.
On and off?
Yeah, but I was also restoring an '89 Bronco at the same time.
Okay. So it wasn't your full focus.
That's right. This was originally twin beds.
Okay.
And had a little vanity, or a little drawer up here. I sleep with 2 body pillows because of a motorcycle wreck. Yeah. And I kept losing one of the pillows off the side of the bed.
Okay.
So I built this piece in the center, and then had a custom-made mattress from Mattress Insider, and they custom built this mattress. Well, I've also got the piece that goes in here, so this can be a really huge, like 7-foot by 8-foot bed. You know, which when my grandkids come, then they have a lot of room. Wow. We normally leave it out because it's easier to make up, but we did have to custom make the sheets and all that. This is 2 full-size closets. Okay. Lots of hanging space. This is a pantry right here, right in front of you.
Can I open it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow. Okay, that's a lot of space.
And then these are, you know, good
size
cabinets. A lot of storage. Of course, you see the aircraft type storage up above
up on
the cabinetry. Top. And then it's got storage. It's got storage in the back. It's got storage underneath the beds. It's got small bins along the whole length of it, kind of Airstream style, with a little bit more room than the Airstreams do.
This is amazing. All right, I'm giving them all the behind the scenes on how we shoot videos, and that's funny. But I think the cool part about walking through here, you've created like this amazing home environment, and you did this amazing construction. But as we were walking through, all I could think of is that depending on who you are and what you're doing, you can choose an old rig, right? Don't you think, Sheila? Like,
absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, and you can tailor make it to. You don't have to go buy the $100,000 rig. You can make it to you. That's what I feel like when I walk in there.
Yeah. There's 15 grand in this one.
That's it?
That's it. That includes the purchase price.
You know, that's way less than like a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel.
Or a pickup truck.
That's your entire house. Right.
Yeah.
Here you got a house on wheels.
And it'll do anything that anything the larger ones will do, not as comfortably.
I don't know. I've been in a lot of Airstreams, and it's got that Airstream feel. It's got.
Love it.
Yeah, I mean, it's really awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So thank you for sharing your home, and we hope that it's an inspiration that if you're out here and you're watching, that you can do the RV lifestyle with anything. It's just tailor make it to you, and this is a great example of that. Yeah. Thank you guys. I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right. Until next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Right, Sheila?
Do all the things.
Do all the things. Right? Do you do all the things?
Yes, we do all the things.
They do all the things. They've been doing it for a while. Yes. And so you make sure you become Switch Crew and you do all the things. And we humbly thank you for watching and following along. Until next time, we'll see you later. And we are
out of here.